Now let these two statements be as it is. Now let's go for developing our own logic. Okay, let's go for developing our own logic. Before developing our logic, observe predefined method of a string class, that is equals method having logic to compare two string objects data whether same or not. If they are same, it should return true. If they are not same, it should return false. And one more thing, at the time of calling, if you pass some different type object, observe here, some different type of object, what happens? It is returning false. And if I pass null, it is returning once again false to us. Okay, now observe, it is returning false to us. Okay, that I have written over here. Okay, now observe. Now let me take a method. Let me take a method as static. Okay, let me take a method as static, return type as boolean. Okay, let it be my equals. Okay, first argument type is object and second argument type object 2. Okay, let it be. Okay, here we are having objects, so that's why I have taken argument type as what? Object only. Okay, now observe. Now observe this implementation. Simple thing, let me explain first oral logic. Simple thing, what is that? You have to check each and every index element of first object with corresponding index element of second object. Observe here, this index value, this index value, if both are equal, then go for checking this one and this one. If both are equal, go for this one. If any one of the index elements of both the strings are not matching, then tell it is not equal, that is written false. And one more thing, you have to use this one also. We will use that one. Okay, simple thing. For that, how to access a particular index element of a string, we should depend upon one more method of string class, predefined method, which is that caret method, having argument as what? Index, int index. It's having some logic, friends. It's having some logic. What is that logic? Means observe, to return the specified index character, that's it. If index is not a valid one, it will raise string index out of bounds exception. Okay, if index is not valid, then at runtime there will be string index out of bounds exception. Doesn't matter. Observe. Okay, it returns what? An index, I mean a specified index character to us. Okay, now observe. First let me talk about object class. Within the class called object, you are having equals method, getting? You are having equals method, getting? Here you are having logic, getting? Here you are having logic to check two reference variable values. Okay, of course, what is that reference variable values? I will tell. Observe here. Okay, whenever you create an object at memory, for each and every object there will be address, which is unique address. Okay, observe, unique address 0x0001, and this address approximate integer value is our hash code. Let it be 711. Okay, and now this address or hash code approximate hexadecimal string value is our reference variable value, that is a reference value. Let it be approximate, right? Let it be 1A. If you do reverse conversion, you should not get address or hash code values. If you get, you are breaking what? Security. Okay, now this value only it will have, S1 will have. Okay, so 1A both are same. From this person I can reach this area. Even this one will have address, friends. Okay, 002, some hash code 11, and some reference some reference variable. Even here it will have an address. Okay, and let it be 1161. Okay, now let it be 2A. That 2A only you are copying to ES2. Here also some address 0x0004 222 and 3, and let it be 2E. That only you are copying to this value, friends. Okay, that only you are copying to this value. Now observe. If you use this object class equals method, then it will check reference variable values 2A 1A only it will check, so it will be giving false to us. Okay, observe here, class A is there. Okay, class A is there. Now I have created A equals to new A. What happens? A object created some address 0x009, some hash code 123, one reference value 3A, that I am copying to A1. Okay, A1, so it will refer this object. A2 equals to new A. Okay, now I am going to create one more object 0x008 771. Let it be reference value 4A, that I am copying to A2 4A. Now SOP of A1 dot equals of A2. A1 dot equals of A2. Observe here, this is the static method, and this is what our class A. Okay, think that this is entire class A. Do you have equals method in class A? No, but through inheritance you are getting that equals method from object class. Okay, it is having logic to check the two reference variable values. Now observe here, A1 value how much, friends? 3A. Okay, A1 value is what? 3A. 3A double equals to 4A. It will check. Does 2A value is what? 4A. Okay, A2 value is what? 4A. So it will check 3A 4A. Both are equal? No. So it will return false. Okay, now observe. Now string class has equals method. String class has equals its own equals method. This equals method only it will execute. Okay, that's why in earlier case. Okay, that's why in earlier case. Okay, let it be A1 new A and A2 getting new A. String S1 is equals to new string of A, B, C. String S2 equals to new string A, B, C. SOP of S1 dot equals of S2. Here it is returning true to us, even though S1 value, S2 value is different. Observe. Here it is what true to us. S1 value is what? 1A. S2 value 2A, right? 2A. It is returning true. Why? Because having its own logic. It is not using object class equals method implementation through inheritance. Because string class doesn't extends any of the class. And of course through inheritance it's not having object class equals method implementation, it's having its own implementation. Okay, so like this we are writing our own code. Okay, observe. Now why I have said this thing to you means, observe, I have given an idea to you that string class is overridden equals method. This is also important thing. Okay, we have to remember object class equals method is meant for it is meant for reference comparison, whereas string class equals method meant for what? Object data checking, comparing object data. Okay, now observe. Now I am going to write one logic here. Observe. If I use directly, some of our friends will write the logic in this way. Observe. I think you understand this one. Okay, now in A class, if I use, what is that, SOP of SOP of A1 dot equals of A2, it will give what? False to us, even though content is same. Nothing means both are same only, right? Here nothing, here also nothing, both are same, right? So it should return true to us, but it will return false because A1 value 3A, A2 value 4A. It will check reference variable values. Okay, which equals method of object class. Okay, now observe here. I hope you understand this one. Okay, now let's go for the actual thing. Observe here. Now call that my hyphen equals method by passing any string object. Okay, string literal, let it be, no issues friends. This my equals is returning boolean, right? Boolean, right? Let it be. Okay, now observe here, let me put that one within SOP statement. Now let me declare one boolean variable value, boolean variable, okay, boolean variable. Okay, let it be. I will initialize that one later. Now observe here, most of we guys will do mistake in this way. Okay, if now this object is available with O1 and this object is available with O2. Now if O1 dot equals of O2 equals method return type is what? Boolean. Okay, now observe, this is, or else just for your convenient understanding, let me use new string of ABC. Okay, think that this 1A is there. Okay, now other one, new string of ABC. Okay, now this 2A is there, here 1A is there, 2A is there. Okay, now observe here. Now observe here, if I use this one, okay, if I use this part, O1 dot equals of O2. Okay, now I have one small doubt, which method will execute? Okay, which method will execute at runtime? This string class method only executes. What is the use of writing the logic in this way? You are using once again string class equals. We have to write logic without using string class equals method. That is our main intention. Try to observe here, if it is true, just put return true instead of even this variable also. Can I return right? Can I return like that? Yes, return true. Otherwise return what? Return what? False. Which equals method you are using? Which equals method you are using? Through overriding, I am using string class equals method only. Observe here, it will give the answer to us as what? True only, because I'm using internally string class equals method. Please don't write the logics in this way, okay? We should write our own code, okay? Just observe here, okay? What we are doing, we have understood that in object class you are having equals method, which is meant for reference value comparison, and in string class also you are having what? Equals method, which is meant for two string objects data comparison, and there you are having implementation in different way. What is that? It will check both the string objects data are same or not, along with alphabet cases. It will check even case sensitive thing. If you are having here A, here also should be A, not capital A, small letter A only. Here if it is small b, small b, small c, like that only we should have. Okay, if it is so, it will return true. And if you are passing some different object, it is returning false as answer to us. And if you are passing null as an argument, it is returning false to us. Okay, now don't write the logics in this manner. It's not the correct way. Internally equals method of string class. Okay, please don't type like that. So now let's develop our own logic. As I said earlier, I will use caret method of string class. Okay, now I have one small doubt. Do we have in object class caret method? No, you don't have any caret method at object class. You are having only equals method, toString method, hash code method, clone method, get class method, finalize method, finalize 1 2 3 4 5 6, wait method, notify, overloaded method. No caret method. Now observe here, this way of code developing is not recommended. Okay, now observe here, can I put here o1 dot char at of 0? Can I put? No, I cannot put. If I put, I'll get compile time error, because o1 type is what? Object. Within the object class, do you have caret method? No. Getting? You'll get cannot find symbol. Symbol is what? Method caret. Location is what? Class object. Okay, so how to avoid this compile time error? How to avoid that compile time error? How to avoid that compile time error? You have to perform typecasting. Okay, observe here. To write our own logic, I am using caret method, which is predefined method of string class. And don't use equals method once again within this method implementation. It will be wrong way of writing code, not recommending one. And object class is having equals method, which is meant for reference variable value comparison. That's why I have taken here. Observe here, a1 equals to new a2 equals to new a constructor, SOP of a1 dot equals of a2. Now which equals method for this class will get, which equals method for this class executes? Object class equals method. I have proved this one. Okay, I have proved. Here don't get confused with true false. Try to understand the internal things, so that it will be very good, clear to us. Okay, now here it will return what? False to us, even though both the objects data is nothing, same only, right? Nothing means both are same, but the reference variable values will be different. Okay, let it be 1a 2a, so both are different, so it returns what? False to us. Object class equals method executing, which is meant for reference variable values comparison, whereas in string class it is meant for both the string objects data comparison along with what? Alphabet cases. Okay, now observe. I hope you understand this one. Now let's go for our logic. Okay, now so I'm going to use string class caret method. Here if I use o1 dot caret of something, I'll get compile time error, because o1 type is what? Object. In object class, compiler will check whether caret method is available or not. So to avoid that, let's perform typecasting to string friends. Okay, typecasting to a string. How to perform? Put here, observe here, I want a string type variable, that's it. Okay, now within this parenthesis put string, whatever you are writing here, just put that one here, that's it. Getting? Now which variable? o1. Okay, that's it. And once again perform typecasting for o2. Let it be yes to which type? String type. Okay, observe here, if you want much concept on this typecasting, please refer typecasting concept of whoop unit. Okay, there I have elaborated this one with detailed thing. Nothing you require to I mean by heart. Just by using some formulas, simple formulas, you can understand that one very clearly. Okay, observe here. So now s1, s2 you have gotten. Okay, now can I call s1 dot caret? Can I call s1 dot caret of 0? Yes, it is valid. Earlier o1 dot caret, it is not valid. Why? Because o1 type is object. In object class, do you have caret method? No, we don't have caret method. But whereas in string class, s1 type is what here? Now it is string. It will check within string class, do you have caret method? Yes, I have caret method. No, compile time error. So it will compile successfully, and at runtime it will execute successfully. Okay, observe here. Okay, now this part I just want, guys, observe how to check both the strings are equal or not. Means how to check both the strings equal or not means you have to take each and every corresponding index of both the string objects, and you have to check whether they are equal or not. I want to get this index element. How to get? I'm going to use caret method. And one more thing, I don't know how many number of elements available within both the objects. Today it is 3, tomorrow it can be 100, after 2 minutes it can be 5000. Who knows? So let us write the logic in dynamic way. So let me take, I don't know number of elements in advance, but just for our code writing, to make the analysis simple, I am taking this one. If there is a case like here 10, here 2, at that time what? How to compare? Simple thing, observe. First compare whether both the string, compare first both the string elements, both the string number of elements are equal. Observe here, both the string objects elements are equal. If they are not equal, tell there itself they are not equal. Simple thing, right? Observe here, first you have to tell whether both the objects elements are equal. If they are equal, then go for checking each and every index element. If they are not equal, tell directly they are not equal. Both are having different lengths. Definitely the data will be different. So how to get number of elements present within a string? How to get number of elements available within a string object? How to get guys? How to get that one? How to get? By using length method of string class. If you want customized logic for, that is our own logic for length method, we have developed that one at our earlier session. You can just go through that one. Okay, so let me use length method of our string class, which is having logic to return number of blocks or elements. Getting number of blocks or elements. Blocks means these elements only. Okay, now observe here. Okay, now observe. If S1, if observe here, let me copy S1 string element number within I1 variable. At memory, I1 variable value is what now? S1 dot length, right? What it is? 3. It is what? 3. Now copy S2 string element, S2 string number of elements value into I2. How many number of blocks or elements? 3. Now I2 value is what, friends? 3. Okay, now check whether both the string elements are equal or not. First check whether both the string elements are equal. Okay, if I1 equals to I2, okay, then perform some logic. Otherwise directly, friends, return false. Yes, no? Observe here, A, B, C, E. Getting? What happens? Both are different. It will have this length as what? 5. It will have length as what? 3. 3 and 5. Both are not equal. Both the string objects are not equal. Okay. So now what we are doing? We are checking their length. Okay. Now observe. If their lengths are equal, I1 double equals to I2, both the string elements are equal. Now what we have to do? Take each character, that is corresponding index characters, and check whether they are equal or not. Most important alphabet cases we have to consider. Alphabet cases, that is case sensitive. If it is small a, it should be small a. If it is small b, not here small b, here capital B. It is false, guys. Okay, it is not true. Okay, it should not be in that fashion. Okay, now observe this one. I want to take each and every character. How to take each and every character? By using caret method. One small thing, each and every string data will have index with 0 only. Each and every string data starting character index will be always 0. That's why it is here 0, and starting of data character here is what? 0. In whatever the data, if it is string objects and if it is like an array, the starting index will be always 0 only. So 0 0. This is sure. I know this principle. This I have to put in my brain. Now let's start with 0. Okay, let's start with 0. Otherwise you can start with end also. End, you can come in reverse fashion also, no issues. Okay, let's go from reverse fashion onwards. But how to get last index within a given string? Here if the length is 3 means what is the index? 2. And here if the length is 3 means the index is what? 3. Think that here you are having one more element. we are having one more element. Now what is the length? 4. Getting index 3, index 3. Now 4, right? Length is 4. What is last index value? 3. Getting 4 minus 1, 3. Observe, that's what the relation here you have to observe. Okay, now here what is the length? It is 4. And what is the last index value? 3. So 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Can I put minus 1 here? Yes, I can put. No restrictions to me. Observe, all the integer literals 0, 1, 2, 3 by default available to JVM. You can use these values liberally without any issues. Okay, now observe. So now I want to take last character. Okay, last index character. Last index character, friends. How to take that one? How to take that one? If the length is 3 means, if the length is 3 means last index will be as what? 2. The length is 3 means last index is what? 2. Now where is length variable, length method return value with which variable it is? It is with which variable? With I1. It is related to S1 string and it is related to S2 string. Now observe. Now observe. Now I'm going to take a variable. Getting? Now I'm going to take a variable. I want to get 2 as the value so that I can get, observe here, can I take like this? Do I have any restrictions? I1 minus 1 or else I2 minus 1, because I1 and I2 are both are same. Okay, no restrictions. Now I3 value at memory is what? 2. I3 value at memory is what? 2, friends. Okay, I3 value at memory is what? 2. Okay, now observe. Let it be aside. Here I have only 3 characters. What if the case if I have 10 characters? What if the case if I have 100, 1000, 1 lakh? So I'm going to take, I don't know, number of iterations, number of options in advance. So let me take one iterative statement. Let me take while loop. Okay, now let me take while loop. I want to write here one condition. I'll write that one later, I don't know. Now observe here.